Hello and welcome to the Australian Institute of Advanced Studies. I'm Noel Higginbotham, my colleague here is Pankaj Saxena, and we're both directors of the Institute. We're here today to tell you a little bit about the Institute, its courses and its facilities. Firstly, a little bit about myself. I've been in education and training now for 35 years and have a vast background and knowledge in engineering and engineering courses. Currently, I'm one of the directors who administer the Institute along with Pankaj.
Let me just give you a quick background to myself. I was born in India, but I grew up and my whole education was in the UK. I've worked in the US and obviously been living in Australia for now 38 years. The reason I mention this is because I feel it's important since students are coming to Australia. My experience has been, out of all these countries I've lived in and worked in, Australia by far is the most laid back and most welcoming of the countries that I've worked in. So the other thing I'd like to also mention to you is my background is as an engineer. I qualified as an engineer. I've worked in the Asia Pacific region as a support engineer for several years, and I've also been teaching for around 15 years. Besides myself and Noel, we have teachers from various countries. We have teachers from Colombia, Brazil, Taiwan, Philippines, Iran. So it's a good mixture, and on top of the teachers being from varied backgrounds, we also have students from various countries. We've had students from Vietnam, China, Philippines, India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, South America, Brazil. I think we've got a new student starting from Chile as well. So it is a very, very multinational kind of college. So you're not going to be stuck into one area.
All right, so just a little bit about our courses. We have a number of select courses that we specialise in. Our courses are engineering, so we go up to the advanced diploma level of engineering. We do graphic design courses, screen and media, or film and television as some people refer to it as, childcare courses, and we also do aged care and individual support courses for people interested in doing aged care or individual support within Australia as well. Now we're also bringing on some new courses shortly. Once we get approval, we'll be bringing in IT courses and also looking at bringing in our commercial cookery and hospitality courses. So these courses will be a great course to enrol in. Shortly we'll be looking at our video on our facilities, and in that video you'll see more information about what facilities we have and some of the facilities that the students utilise whilst they're doing their courses.
Besides the facilities videos, we have other videos which are about the individual courses we have. They give you a far more in-depth knowledge about the particular course that you may be interested in. And now we'll go to the facilities video.
so there you have the video of the facilities at the Institute. Now, you can contact us in many ways. You can email us, you can visit our website, you can see us on Facebook, Instagram. So there's many different channels. The other way you can get in contact to us about our courses is through our education agents. And if you visit our website, you can see a list of our education agents, and they're there to help you as best as they can.
I guess there's not much else to say, but looking forward to seeing you at our institute.
Thank you, and goodbye.